Part 3. This is the video number 5 of the chapter episode series. Today we are going to learn various types of food and with the articles. So let's get started. The bread. The bread is said as das Brot. Das Brot in German. So these are a few pics of the bread. We have learnt das Brot in our previous videos also. The eggs. Die Eier. The eggs are known as die Eier in German. So these are some eggs. The cheese. The cheese is known as der Käse in German. So A has an umlaut. Check out my umlaut video by clicking on the iCard button to go straight into the video. And C, detailed information on umlaut. The milk. The milk is known as die Milch in German. Milch. Die Milch. The chocolate. Chocolate is known as die Schokolade in German. So go in food items in German part 1 to see detailed information on Schokolade and Schokoriegel. What is the difference between both of them? Both are chocolates, but what is the difference between them? Go straight on in food items in German part 1. So this is a very famous chocolate, Quality Street. And the second one is my favorite, Kinder chocolate. And tell me in the comment section which is your favorite chocolate. The vegetables are known as das Gemüse. Gemüse. Again, U has an umlaut. Das Gemüse. So take a look at the fresh veggies. The sugar. The sugar is known as der Zucker. Der Zucker in German. So we have two types of sugar. One is our normal sugar, that is white in color, and second is brown sugar. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end and click here for more videos.